Hey, what's up, everybody? It is Randy from the Black Orchid Project. Today, I have a super treat for you. We are going to tour the Dr. Delphinium Flower and Orchid House. This is a place that I actually get the medium that I used in that video that probably brought you to my channel. So this is going to be really, really cool. So stick around. All right, here we go. Let's go inside. This is what greets you when you first walk in. Look at these displays. I mean, this is professional grow house stuff here. I mean, I can't imagine getting that many blooms on one spike. It's just gorgeous. So I'm not gonna go all the way through. If you wait to the end, or if you want to take the time to watch it at the end, I'm gonna do a full house tour, or I'm sorry, a full lobby tour. You can see other parts of the lobby and things that they offer, but I just wanted to move this along. As you can see, they have some pots here. These are not necessarily orchid pots as much as just like flower pots, and I love this sign, so I got a really good close-up on it. All right, so we're going to walk in to the first of two orchid/succulent houses. This one has more succulents than orchids. They used to do a lot of repotting in this particular one, but it looks like they've moved that repotting station and just filled it up with succulents. And now we are going to go into the Orchid House. All right, here's the moment you've all been waiting for. We are walking into the Orchid House. That. Now, I must tell you, this is nothing compared to if you come in February or March. If you come here in February or March, this place is literally full of the most amazing displays you've ever seen. So a lot of you hear me talk about where I got my start in orchids. I used to come here all the time and just walk this place and just be among these plants. So here's a good example for you guys that ask me about how they grow. And so when you hear people say they don't need baskets or they don't need soil, look at this. This is purely soilless. And these things are growing and thriving. But the humidity level in here, I bet you, is probably about 80 or 90%. So I love these. These are not up my alley, though. Maybe one day I'll jump into these. But yeah, so there you go. And then it's just plant after plant after plant. For you guys that talk about the yellow flowers or the yellow leaves, there you go. I mean, even in a place like this, they're going to have yellow leaves. They're going to have dried roots, different things like that. Oh man, look at this baby here. Oh, I've been wanting one of these. Holy smokes. I may have to inquire about this one. I probably shouldn't, but I may have to. I love that flower. Here's a couple more. Color on that one. So they mostly deal in your basic stuff, honestly. A lot of whites, a lot of the reds, because they pretty much send it out in floral designs. And so having something too unique might throw off the floral design and bring the price up quite a bit. This is, look at that, private area. I'm not even gonna put it over the fence, but one day I'm gonna see if they'll let me in there. So let's just take a walk down this way. There's a lot of airflow in here too. You hear there's big giant fans, obviously. I need to show you up top. It's all covered, so these are literally just big giant greenhouse. Look at that pure white with that pure red. Holy smokes. Get that focused in for you some. That is a gorgeous flower. Oh man, I'm not a big white orchid person or like the red orchids, but I'll tell you, for some reason when I get close to them and the pure whites, they are just pretty fascinating for me or to me, and I will then start to gravitate towards them. Look at this beautiful yellow. Oh man, look at that. That one is still coming into bud there. That's gonna bloom here soon. Oh. So yeah, there's not a lot of special stuff, like their lady slippers are look like they're out, but they mostly do phalaenopsis here, things like that. So I'm gonna get this moving. I know you're probably enjoying this. Look at this. This is a big radiator. You talk about humidity. That is a big, giant radiator. This place is so awesome. Just such a great place. I need to start coming down here more. Here's a few more. There's a sign over here. I just want to show you guys as I walk this way. Oh, here we go. I'm getting excited. Look at that pure white, that red. That is gorgeous. Oh, look at this, look at this, look at this. Those are amazing. Look at that. That is amazing. It's a double stop. It's a double stop pure white with red. Holy smokes. I don't find a lot of this kind of stuff in a rescue, I tell you that much. And I can't get rescues from here because they obviously know how to rebloom their stuff. So, but look at that. Here, read that. That is from the pros right there. All right, there you go. So let's walk over here. We're gonna head on out. Still, I'm definitely going to have to look into that. Look at this. That's gorgeous also. Wow. So the ladies' slippers are here. There's no lady slippers blooming now. Here's one. Either just came out of bloom or the bloom died. Here's a lady slipper table. Here's a Cattleya table, I believe it's called. Cattleya. Look at this fir bark. Big tubs of bark all the way around. Look at this. These are called dancing ladies. And this one is actually dancing quite a bit. Look at that. It looks like a lady in a dress dancing. That's why they call them that. That's a gorgeous one. Not sure I've ever seen one that color. And here's another one. I've seen this quite a bit. This is a pretty common one, but look at that bloom. Again, these are not plants that I choose to keep on hand, or I haven't gotten into it yet, but I will at some point, I'm sure. I'm pretty sure I can't talk about Phalaenopsis forever. And then there's another. So there you have it. That is our Orchid House tour. And I hope you enjoyed that. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that experience. It is so cool. It's so tranquil. Sometime on the weekends it can be a little crowded, but not really. It's kind of a hidden gem around here, and so sometimes you can just come here and just walk and clear your head and things like that, and we definitely all kind of need that right now. If you're ever in Richardson, Texas, please stop by and say hello. If you order something, please mention me just so they'll know that you came from the channel and things like that. They do not sponsor me or anything like that, but I just wanted to give them a shout out to our community. So as always, thanks for joining me. Be safe. More importantly, be kind. And until next time, peace. So here we go. This is when you first walk in, then you take a right, and there's a display area. As you can see, they have some succulents here, a few other little trinkets, and these are plastic here. So I guess if somebody wants some kind of artificial design, they'll do that. This is the Rose and Tulip refrigerator, and as you can see back here, this is their design area. It's very big, gorgeous, always immaculate. Cards, lotions, different things like that. This is the register area. Look at those displays there, just gorgeous. They actually have a book area with some orchid books and different floral books. These are pre-designed bouquets for people that just want to walk in and grab stuff. I love this, so I had to get a close-up of it. Now we're going to swing back around and start heading out to the outside. As you can see, there's the orchid mix, and they have some orchid food, just some candles and different things like that. So it's basically built for people that want to come in and grab some things for presents, and a few other displays here. And we are just about going to wrap this up. So thanks for joining me.